What chemical will control purple violets in Bermuda grass, and when is the best time to spray? And this is from Jerry. So we're gonna start with you, Mr. D. We know you like those broadleaf weed killers, right?
Why, yeah, there's some good ones out there. I would think purple violet is broadleaf.
Broadleaf.
So I would think anything that contains dicamba, like Trimec, would do the trick.
Yeah, three-way.
2,4-D.
Yeah,
Yeah,
2,4-D.
yeah, combination.
Dicamba.
Yeah. Ought to do the trick.
MCPP. Right.
Ought to be fairly easy. I know it's a pretty tough weed though. It may take more than one application, and you got to be careful later on in the season.
I'm not sure if they're up yet enough to spray. I'm not sure. I hadn't really paid attention.
I know one thing. Sometimes they don't have to be up much to get control, and it's better if they're small than
soft
if they're large.
leaf stage. Sure.
I know. An example is buttercup.
Right.
In pastures, you spray 2,4-D on buttercup before you even see it, and if you wait until you see it and it's blooming,
it's too late.
You can't hardly control them. But
multiple applications then.
Right.
Yeah. And the thing about the violets too, you have the waxy cuticle.
It's true.
So it makes it very difficult to control if you don't use a spreader sticker.
And the systemic would work better probably than a contact herbicide.
Right.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know. I'm not sure about this. I'm running it by you. Roundup on dormant Bermuda grass.
It is on the label. You have to be careful.
Yeah. Right.
We've done it, but of course, if there's the least bit of green, it's
right. It will be on the label. It will tell you.
But again, if it's barely coming, if the Bermuda grass is breaking dormancy, when you do that, you're going to hurt your Bermuda.
Oh, you're going to hurt. Of course. Yeah. But Bermuda come back. It's a weed.
You can kill the ripey with Roundup if you do enough applications, but it takes many.
Multiple applications.
Wear it out.
Yeah.
Wear it out.
For sure.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.